Hello, Neftali. Hello.
222-688.
What just happened?
What's that?
Have you guys seen that edited clip of like Janet says like a sound and then
245 bits. Happy advance birthday.
Thank you so much.
did it actually put a bird right after?
Thank you to 52 months, Jorge.
Yes, the crow one.
No, we don't know what she's talking about.
It's so
I saw
funny.
someone post it on Twitter, but I didn't watch it yet.
I see
Wait.
Janet the bird. Janet the bird.
Oh my god, he's watching it.
No way. How is she doing that?
It's the gargling. Listen to how I can't even do it. Like you can't. There's no dupe. There's no dupe for Janet the Bird. Actually, that was kind of dupe. That was a little bit dupe. Never mind. You gotta have the little.
We should have HR in this server. And I would like to file a complaint.
Whoa, this is the best thing I've seen in a long time.
It's like his reaction is so
accurate.
genuine, so cute.
That's like you.
Nestle Isaac cheered 200 bits. Thanks for the greeting. You are very cute, crocodile.
Like they timed it perfectly with the
It's so accurate. That's like one of the best things I ever seen. I have tears. I have tears.
The best.
Amazing.
Oh my god, I can't
That was
breathe.
so good.
I might start my stream every morning.
No, Ryan.
No! Oh my god, that was
Like,
so
Anita's like, wow,
good.
you're such a boomer. You don't use find mine. That's not how
I
she
have a
sounds.
headache from
It
laughing.
really seemed like that's how she sounds, Peter.
I'm telling
That's not how
Anita.
she sounds.
We're telling Anita.
Oh my god, I actually have a headache.
Women, am I right, fellas?
Yeah, dab me up, Peter. Dab me up.
Wait, is it dap or dab? I thought it was dab me up, but it says dab.
Do you guys know that I
Oh
got
my God, it's
catcalled when I was
dap.
10 years old by man?
Ew.
Whoa.
12 for me, but
I
still
remember that was
weird.
like a very like.
What? Like Elon Musk still has his check mark. Yours says you paid for Twitter Blue. Wait, does it? Huh? No. No! I've become
Oh no, I'm covering
a
him.
nobody. Beyonce lost hers. Wait, what? Not Beyonce. Where's your checkmark, Beyonce?
Lego Master cheered 1000 bits.
I'm naked.
Happy early birthday, Poke.
me
Best
see.
wishes. Also, my
Whoa.
birthday is
Whoa.
right after yours.
Happy early birthday, Lego. Oh. Yes, Tina, slay. Slay wall.
Stop! Stop pushing! Oh my god!
Slay wall.
Can you get it?
I'm trying!
Slay wall.
Ow, ow, ow.
Player standing.
Okay,
Sage, I'm
tap.
so sorry about talking shit, but you have got to be the worst player I've ever. Ever.
Surely you haven't seen that many players, right?
I'm starting. My stomach is starting to digest itself.
I didn't get scared. I'm good.
Fuck!
No! Please, no. Like, I swear to God, no. If I see a chain of these, no.
Okay, Ian, come here.
Wait, I'm gonna pretend.
I'm starting. My stomach is starting to digest itself. Fuck!
Did I do it on time?
No. Like, I swear to God, no. If I see a chain of these, no.
Real and true reaction. Is that on someone's head?
What does this thing look like?
Is that Leslie's head? That's so
Yes.
funny.
Where? Oh,
This.
okay. Yeah. What do you think it looks like?
A flower about to bloom to see its full potential. What about you?
Yeah. Are you sure that's what you're thinking? I want you on a lie detector test tomorrow.
Should I just move my camera around the whole time? That...
Whoa! What the hell?
Do you have advice for someone who people go to for relationship advice, even though you're helplessly single?
True Rodney 30 cheered
Hey,
200
focus
bits.
up on
Went
this one.
to the
Focus up on
library
this
the
one
other
real
day and
good.
asked the librarian
Yeah.
if she
Yeah,
had
I'll
any
show
books
you.
for
Men
men
with
with
small
small
Are you talking about
willies.
yourself?
The librarian looks at her computer and says, I'm not sure if it's in yet. I replied, yep, that's the one.
Please stop sending me jokes you Googled. Thank you.
Mm.
Oh,
Oh.
that's what Janet sounds like. You don't know Janet. What she sounds like.
That's true.
Kind of out of breath a little bit too.
Okay. Is there any more running there, guys?
Oh no, but there's no danger out there, right?
Oh,
Cat knows who I am.
yeah, Cat's
Yeah.
so confused.
You know, sometimes I like missionary, but then it depends on in which way I am, you know, because some angles hit differently. Like, to listen to some, I do like missionary, but I come better when I listen to, like, I like doggy. Where am I? Why am I here?
Missionary. I'm a vanilla
Why
guy.
do we have to talk? Why? I thought we were cooking, bro.
Yeah.
Mine also curves off to the right. Which direction does John penis?
Yeah.
Oh,
What would you say John's like favorite direction is? Like if he was Amelia Earhart, would he get lost in the Bermuda Triangle?
I was gonna skip. That was too much for me.
Go ahead. Haha, what's up, baby girl? What you doing? Tell us you sipping soup, I heard.
I can't listen to that. Oh my god. I wanted to puke. Oh my god.
Yeah, I can't finish it out. I'm just gonna put that down. I'm gonna let the clip play for like 2 seconds before I put my earbuds back in.
Day soup.
Cause holy crap.
Make you feel better. I could take
Should
you
be
from
like
the Vava
over
to
now,
the
right?
Cinco back to the Vava if you know, you know.
I'm gonna be in someone's YouTube video.
I got udders.
Hi YouTube, welcome.
What?
No.
To someone's channel.
Say the line.
Say it.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Are you trying to say that you
Write a
have
nice thing below.
What the fuck? My GF cheated on me so
Alright, go ahead.
hard.
Sorry,
Her
what?
I think you look
sister
so.
said
Go
she
on.
was better than her
Oh my god, this is
Fran
my
Ryan
donut. My
channel.
GF cheated on me, so I slept with her sister, and she was better than her. I know you're lying, because if that actually happened, you wouldn't be saying it in my chat. I get the vibe.
What's
It's a
the
big
thing
vibe.
that we had to talk to Abe about?
Right. The thing.
Oh, the thing.
You know, the thing was that,
wrong?
you know, we just don't see you enough. That's it. We don't hang out enough.
That's
We
a
need
very
to-
valid thing.
We need to get on that level.
Okay, first of
where
all, I know that's
it's
wrong
mainstream
because
and
I
we
was just
hang
talking
out
about how I
every
was hanging
day.
out with Myung a lot lately, and she was like, "Oh."
Truth Rodney 30 cheered
Oh.
200
Yeah,
bits.
that was-
How
Why
do
she
you
say,
rate-
oh?
Myung was definitely bullied.
stomping?
Don't even worry about
Myung was for sure bullied in high school.
That's messed up.
That is messed up.
Like I'm almost.
I could be the bully if I wanted
I'm almost
to be.
positive that Myung was for sure bullied in high school.
Oh.
Were you? Relax.
guys, I know how to tell if it was Abe.
How?
Steve, my goose has a special ability. When I hit this button, oh.
Okay, Saikuno, go
That
ahead.
means Saikuno
Yeah,
was
Saikuno.
the one.
What happened?
It's because a goose is a good guy.
You're not gonna say a single thing. You hear me? You fucking hear me? You look at me. You're not gonna say a single thing. You're gonna come with me right now. Get over here.
If Tina said this to me, I would just say yes. I would just nod and join her.
Tina! Why?
And you stand there and you play the piano like a good duck. You hear me?
Soup. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Wait, Ray, go down. Ray, go down.
I'm gonna be Hokage one day.
Oh my.
That timing was beautiful. This game is called Duck Duck Goose. It's basically Among Us.
Why is Tina
I think
red
there's a bunch
AF?
of ducks
It's,
and the goose are the bad people. Dentwitch, thank you
my
for 5
blush,
gifted.
I
Actually,
think.
10 gifted. Thank you so much.
I don't know. I just
Adorable.
blushed.
Good blush.
What, me?
Oh, Tina, you so cute.
God
We're missing one person.
Blush.
Do not recreate what I'm doing. I can only do this because I got permission from Tina. What, me? Yeah, you.
Oh, Tina, you're so cute.
We're missing one person.
Dude! She's blushing for real.
Is the blushing girl.
Go.
Look at the camera, say, I love you, chat. Oh, look at you, little pinch your little cheeks.
She actually
Say,
grabbed
"Love
for
you
me.
guys. I love you guys. Come on, make a heart. I love you guys.
I hate you guys. I love you guys.
You're my favorite viewer.
You're my favorite
You're my
podcast.
viewer. You're my favorite viewer.
Thanks,
right
Lily
there,
Pichu. Ba, 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 ba. Ba-dum, ba, ba, ba. So cute. I might as well watch this.
That was
I don't
painful.
think I watched this.
I need food.
Kind of. You should take a while to eat.
Scar, are we good friends? Oh my god, yes,
Yeah.
so you are. We're good friends, right?
I would say we're great friends.
Oh, I didn't see the ending.
You're my
Bye. See you later.